Welcome! In this video, we are going to take a look at problem 60 from Chapter 19 of College Physics 2E by OpenStax. We need to find the total capacitance of the combination that is shown. And then one note is that the text always assumes three significant figures regardless of what is written, so we'll go with that. Okay, so to start off, we notice that these two are in series. And that is because they come one right after the other without any branching. And so for capacitors in series, we use 1 over the first capacitor plus 1 over the second capacitor. And so here we find the capacitance of the two capacitors in series is 1 divided by 0.300 microfarads plus 1 divided by 10.0 microfarads. I computed that and I found it was 0.291 microfarads. And now we redraw the combination. We redraw it. Okay, so we replace those two with our 1. Then we have the original 1, and we have the rest of the circuit. So this is 2.50 microfarads. This is 0.291 microfarads. We see these two are in parallel. That's because we can come in, we can branch to the left and go to the capacitor that's 0.291 microfarads, and then we leave and go out the bottom. We can come in, branch to the right, go to the 2.50 microfarad capacitor, leave, and then we end in the same spot as the other capacitor ended. And so for capacitors in parallel, call it C parallel, we just add them. So we can say this is going to be 0.291 microfarads plus 2.50 microfarads. That is 2.791 microfarads. And to 3 sig figs, we will call it 2.79 microfarads. That's our final answer. Note, we could draw one last time, the single capacitor, and call it 2.79 microfarads. I hope you found that helpful. Please let me know in the comments section if you have any questions. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.